Hi, my name's Sally Borner and I work as a community artist at ONCA. ONCA are launching Dresscue, a community sewing space on the barge and online. Dresscue is a supportive and welcoming space where we're inviting you to join us and explore making, mending and upcycling processes. Over the coming months, we will be inviting you to join online workshops to explore different making processes. In this video, we're inviting you to experiment with visible mending. Rather than hiding a hole or a rip in your clothes, visible mending turns it into a work of art or a celebration.
You will need scissors, pins, needle and thread, scrap fabric, the item that needs mending, and a thimble if you want. Start by trimming any loose bits of thread or fabric around the hole that you're going to mend. Using the scrap fabric that you're going to mend with, lay it over your hole or rip and cut it down to size. The patch should still be bigger than the hole. And I tend to use a rectangle or a square as it's quite an easy shape to sew, but you can do whatever shape you want. Turn your piece of clothing inside out and lay your patch back over the hole, and then once it's in the right position, pin into place. With your needle and thread, just do a running stitch around the border of the patch. The running stitch is just going in and out of the fabric in a straight line. And then I've just tied a knot at the end of the thread to hold it in place. Once you've sewn around the whole outer edge of your patch, push your needle through the patch so it's on the front side of your clothing and turn your clothing back the right way around. Now you can start doing rows of stitching, again using a running stitch from one end of the patch to the other. This will bind the patch to your clothing. When I get to the end of a row, I just do a little side stitch underneath the fabric to move on to the next line. You can just keep repeating this process to strengthen the patch and the fabric and have them really tightly bound together. You don't have to sew in a straight line. You can sew in any direction and create all kinds of patterns and shapes. Some people use chalk to draw out patterns beforehand, or you can free flow and see what happens. You can also use lots of different coloured threads to build up layers and strengthen the visible mending even more. Once you've finished all your rows, push your needle back through your clothing so it's on the inside and turn your clothing inside out again. I've just used a knot to finish the patch off, but several stitches on top of each other also work quite well in securing the thread.